got a special one for you today, y'all. This is Austin Rutledge's truck. Now, Austin works in our service department, and he did all the customizations of this. Obviously, we had some help along as far as getting him some of these parts and giving some thoughts on what to run here or there, but this is all Austin. Austin is a phenomenal, when I say phenomenal, he's a phenomenal technician, mechanic here at Aiken. So we got great customers and we got great technicians, so it all just works so well together. His beautiful 2017 Aikens Ford F-150 Lariat in that magnetic color that we like so much, leveled on 33. So here to go over his truck today. He was so gracious to let us go over it. I appreciate that. Got it all shined up, looking right. So this is he and I talked about this. A lot of times we offer ready to go kits. You buy the part number, one part number, and it all rolls. With this kit, we kind of piece together things to make it the most legit kit possible. So I really like what we end up with for his truck. So Austin did a 3-inch Pro Comp level kit up front. So let's show her that. We got a 3-inch kit. So you got spacer on top and bottom, strut and preload here and on top. So it's your CV joints and UCA is not in a extreme angle or bind. So, and we really feel like this kit rides very well. We like the way this Pro Comp kit rides. We did several others in the past with this kit. Doug Taylor's as well. Love the way it looks, and you can definitely customize different tire sizes. We're on 33s here, but it's essentially because he's 22 by 12 wide. That 12 wide, he had to go a little bit smaller on the tire, but we can run 35s on this setup also. So wheel and tire combo. You know that I love this wheel. My son Brady loves this wheel. It's just probably one of the top 10 wheels of all time when it's all said and done. The TIS 544BN, the black and milled wheel, looks so killer. It looks like a forged wheel. It has so much going on with it that just is a clean, classy look. Look at that deep lip. I mean, we're talking over 5 inches as far as that lip. 22 by 12, got some nice spikes, and we're 33, 12 and a half, 22, Nitto Ridge grappler. Very minor trimming was involved in making this system work because we're on 33s and we got a 3-inch up front. Now out back, we did, we tried to do a BDS 1-inch block in the rear. Austin didn't really like the way that stance was. He's very detail oriented just like I am, so he spent a lot of time trying to find what the perfect setup was and found a Skyjacker 2-inch block. You remove the factory block in totality and put the Skyjacker in there. So let's show you that out back, and I love his stance. So it has a slight rake in the back, which I like personally. But Mom, we're gonna have to get up under here to show it to him. So out back, we've got there you go, the 2-inch block from Skyjacker, and I also did the Bilstein shocks in the rear because I'm not doing the shocks. Don't make you a legit kit. You got to do the shocks, especially if you're doing some added height in the rear to get things within specs or your ride quality at a premium. Now, while we're back here, he also has an MBRP exhaust and some other goodies, but I want y'all to hear that first. So Mom, I need you to go crank the vehicle and do a little rev action. Yeah, that's right. Mom's gonna do a little rev action on the exhaust. Love that sound. That is perfect. Now, tell me you don't have a cool mom that you got her out here revving the truck. How about that? Gotta love that. All right, y'all. So the MBRP exhaust on the 5-liter really is almost a must-have, especially with this style truck. With this setup, it just really kind of completes the build. He did rear wheel well liners in the rear, which you love. Got a backflip trifold cover out back as well. Got some really dark tint on the back. Got the windshield tinted too, which I really actually like. We don't do it here for legality reasons, but nothing wrong with tinting that front windshield. Just give you that nice, clean, dark look without. So we also did the side badge. This is a factory side badge. We did the F-150, which is normally chrome, and the Lariat's normally chrome, even on the sport package. Did it body color, y'all. I love this. Body color magnetic on the F-150, body color on the Lariat. That's just detail stuff that makes a difference. Now up front, he's got the 502A, so he has LED headlights, and did the emblem, did the blue to black, and did the chrome body color. Looks great, and we have these tags available for sale too in our parts department. I love the way that tag looks. And then just a great overall shot of his truck. Just looks so menacing. It's a covert truck, y'all. I mean, this is, Austin did this truck through and through as far as the installation. We just helped a little bit with acquiring parts for him, but he don't need no help. He's a great guy, a great installer, but he basically built a covert edition. So the covert edition has even infiltrated the service department. Show them the service department entrance, Mom. The service department entrance, you got Y Withys, you got service in the center, and then you got Akins dealership there on the right. So our covert is growing nationally, but it's also growing within the dealership. We're getting so many people involved with our covert truck, so we love to see that, y'all. Let's give them one more mild to wild shot right here. So our mild to wild scale, we are pretty aggressive, being 12 wide. And as I mentioned, we had to run a smaller tire because of that, but we're sticking out probably 4.5 inches. So mild to wild scale, we're pretty aggressive for a leveled stance. So this is kind of like, you heard me talk about the 3.5 inch SST kit from Ready Lift. This is kind of in between that kit and a normal level kit. So it's kind of a hybrid. We got a 3-inch level kit up front, did a block swap in the rear to get that stance that he was looking for, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. So Austin, you did a great job as always, dude. I appreciate you letting us review your truck today too, and hopefully this helps a lot of customers in deciding or seeing some examples of a leveled on 33 stance, because we don't do enough of leveled on 33 with a big, gnarly, aggressive wheel and tire combo. So I really do appreciate that. And as always, we love what we do right here at Akins. For everything auto, from service to sales to accessories, we got you covered. I'm Neil Shepard. Thanks so much.